Assignment 3, Video 7. Okay, this is where the Video 6 left off. So this video will examine how to create the spot elevations at the corner lots. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the layer dialog box. I'm going to make my spot point current, and I'm going to turn off the existing grid point and existing grid label in order to make it a little bit clearer. In addition to that, I'm going to turn off the baseline that we created earlier, just so that it doesn't get in our way either. Oh, and I guess we can also turn off the property boundary. That way we're not accidentally clicking on different endpoints and things like that. Okay, to create the spot elevations, first thing we're going to do is take a look at, make sure that the Home tab's clicked. Go down to the points, create points using surface, and use the random points. For the random points, we can simply click on a point. AutoCAD will ask us to enter a description, and again we can just simply hit enter. And if you recall from assignment 2, just clicking on the endpoints, you should get something that looks like this. Let's see, one here. I think just these ones are left. Okay, should have everything covered. At that point right there, we can simply hit escape to end the command. And the next thing we're going to have to do is create a new point group. So again, right-clicking on the point group, go to New, under the Information tab, EX Spot. Under the point groups, clicking on the existing, or clicking on all points to get a summary, or to go to the point list to find out where we have to end. And we can see that point number 627 is where we end, and I believe 570 should be where we start. Okay, so we go back to point groups, uncheck the all points, go to include numbers 570 to, actually I forget what the last one was. So let's double check. Point list 627. Include 627. So 570 to 627. Just make sure that the all points is unchecked. Check our point list again. 627, 570. Click on apply. Okay, go back to the Information tab, and here's where we change the point style from the existing grid. We can start with this one here, make a copy of it under the Information tab, call this one the existing spot point. Marker is fine, this is fine, just have to change the display. So we can go to the layers and switch the layers, make sure that it's on existing spot point. And this one here is on existing spot label. Click on apply, click on OK. Under the Information tab, go down to the point label style, and we'll have to switch this one as well. Copy current selection, EX spot label. Go to General. Remember to switch the layer over as well to existing spot label. Under the Layout tab, everything stays the same except the rotation angle should be 45 degrees. And clicking on Apply and OK. And under the point group properties for existing spot, make sure that these are set. Click on Apply and OK, and you should get something that looks like this. So this concludes video 7, how to create spot elevations at the corner lots.